Hi, here is the Olympus Mule Zoom 70 overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment. So it use open like this, using one CR123A battery. Okay, then by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Okay. After that, by slide in, you need to slide the film to this compartment to make sure that the center part of the film have fit to the motor. Yeah. Okay, then put the film tip to here and make sure that your film is flat like that, and we just close it and it will auto load. So how to make sure that you have loaded the film properly? When you open it, here show figure 1, which means that now you have loaded it and you can start shooting. Here is the zoom function. Here is the shutter button. Yeah. And here is the viewfinder. When you look through the viewfinder, at the center point of the viewfinder, there's a dot. So you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus and half press it. Okay. If it doesn't blink, it light up like this, which means that it's okay to shoot. Then you just click it. So just remember, half press. If it doesn't blink, click it. Yeah. Then here is the timer setting. By clicking it, then also same, half press and press it. It will light up the red light, which means the timer is start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. Okay, when it's almost there, it will blink. Okay, then here's the flash setting. You can off it. This one is force flash, and this one is flash with night mode, and this is auto. Yeah. And if the environment is dark like that, then it will trigger the flash. Then about here is the date function. So you can adjust by yourself by clicking the mode for a while. Okay, now it start blinking, then you can adjust it. Okay, this one is the year setting. Okay, unfortunately it not until 2025. Then you can adjust the time by yourself. After that, you can change the format lah. Okay, then this one is the date and the time. If you don't want, you can off it like that. Yeah. Then here's the panorama setting. When you switch up, then it will like crops the picture lah. And if you didn't use it, push it back, wait until it fully in, then only you close it like that. Then when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using. So hope you enjoyed.